Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an interactive quiz with Gemini AI. So let's get straight into it. First thing what you need to do is open up gemini.google.com and find the tools or apps drop down below the prompt bar. So right here we have choose canvas to open the creation workspace. So this one is here, which will be using. So now let's say upload files. So you can click the add files here, upload files. So we can upload here lecture slides, PDF documents, or class notes. So let me basically PDF right here. So activity template. And now, or you can also enter a direct topic. Alternatively, type the topic you want to be quizzed on directly into the prompt box. So now let's enter a specific prompt to tell Gemini what kind of quiz is needed. So let's say this kind of way. So generate an interactive multiple choice quiz about cycling from the uploaded like that. For example, just like that from the uploaded PDF file. Just show the score at the end. Now what we can do, we can also add this thing here. So request specific question type like multiple choice, true, false, or fill in the blank. And what we are going to do now, let's say submit this into the Gemini. Now it will take few seconds to load, and as you can see now, it will open up this kind of Canva, and here it's already interactive, and it's made basically the quiz. So let's go, and as you can see, if you are wrong, then it will also show you the correct answer. So just like that, I will not read anything just to be quick and show you how it works. And yeah, basically this is how you can create the quiz. Now at the end you also see the score, accuracy, right, wrong, skipped, and yeah, analyze my performance. You can also review quiz, more questions, or you can also share the canvas with your friends. If you click here, copy link, and then send to your friends. More questions here, yeah. So yeah, this is basically how you can create a quiz in Gemini AI. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.